Sweet and sour shrimp and squid, an unmissable flavor. In gatherings with friends or family meals, having a dish that is both delicious and easy to make is always a priority. Sweet and sour shrimp and squid is such a dish. With the perfect blend of fresh seafood and rich sweet and sour sauce, the dish not only awakens the taste buds but also makes the meal more special. You don't need to be a professional chef to make this dish with a few simple steps. The balanced sweet and sour flavor and eye-catching colors from ingredients such as shrimp, squid, tomatoes, and squash make the dish attractive and stand out on the dining table. This is also a great way for you to introduce to your friends easy to make but extremely delicious seafood dishes.
Ingredients to prepare: 150 grams of tiger prawns, washed, peeled, head removed and black vein removed on the back. 300 grams of fresh squid, after buying, need to be cleaned, the intestines removed and washed. Next, cut the squid into bite-sized pieces. 2 young squashes are peeled, and 1/2 heart-shaped cabbage is washed, cut into bite-sized pieces. 2 tomatoes are cut into wedges. Onions are cut into pieces. Garlic is minced. Red pepper is thinly sliced, adding a little spicy to make the stir-fry more attractive. Olive oil, oyster sauce, black pepper, pink salt, brown sugar and other spices according to family taste.
Sweet and sour stir fry. Put a little cooking oil in a pan, heat the pan and add minced garlic to fry until fragrant. Next, add shrimp and squid in turn and stir fry over high heat to keep the seafood crispy. Stir fry for about 2 to 3 minutes until the shrimp and squid are firm. Add cabbage hearts, tomatoes to the pan and stir fry, about 1 minute add squash and celery. When the tomatoes are soft and squash begins to give off a fragrant aroma, add a little fish sauce, sugar, vinegar and chili sauce. Stir well until the mixture thickens and absorbs the flavor. Season to taste, add chili and black pepper to create the final color and aroma for the dish.
Enjoy. Serve the sweet and sour stir-fried shrimp and squid on a plate. Garnish with herbs if desired. This dish served with hot rice is a great choice for a family meal. Just serve a simple tray of rice with fragrant, hot stir-fried shrimp and squid. Add a few light side dishes such as stir-fried vegetables or sour soup. Surely everyone will be attracted at first sight. You can invite friends to enjoy the dish with the saying, "How long has it been since we had a meal with a strong seafood flavor?" This sweet and sour stir-fried shrimp and squid dish is the perfect choice for us to enjoy together and reminisce. Let the meal be more than just a casual gathering, but also an opportunity to connect and enjoy happy moments. Savoring sweet and sour shrimp and squid with laughter will make your evening more complete. Spend time with family and friends, savor memorable moments and share the joy of this delicious meal. See you on the next culinary adventures. Bye!